And the sages explain that before there was anything, there was just Hashem. There was just Hashem. There was no air, there was no planets, there was nothing else. There's just Hashem. And he had to, figuratively speaking, minimize himself in order to make space for the creation. Whatever that means. Since he has no body or the likeness of a body, we're simply using the language of the Torah that we're permitted to use. He had to minimize himself in order to create space for the creation. And it all started with a single point that he expanded the planet, expanded the universe until he roared for it to stop. He roared, "Die." That's why he is called Kel Shaddai, the God that said enough. Now, of course, the heretics and the atheists that follow them took this teachings from the Gemara and started a whole new religion from it, called atheism and evolution and all types of other things that, in essence, try to remove God from the creation. But the reality is that nothing in the world could ever remove God from the creation, because nothing can exist without the Creator himself. Whether you believe in him or you don't believe in him doesn't change his circumstance, doesn't change the reality. His existence does not depend on our belief.